Good morning, everyone. I am Sivagami Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today, we are going to present the lecture series that is called Class-Based Modeling in Software Engineering. Class-based modeling is nothing but it is mainly belongs to the defining stage, the requirements converted to the classes, attributes, and methods. The next one, introduction to class-based model. The first one, the class-based model contains objects what the system will manipulation, then operations, methods or services. So what do we apply that to the objects to affect the manipulation? In this relationship, some hierarchical between both object and primary object. So the last one is collaborations between the classes that are defined. So these are all called class-based modeling. So next one, what is mean by definitions of class-based modeling? Class-based modeling, it will identify the analysis of classes and defines. The first one, class names, attributes, ID, and methods, operations, relationship between two classes. So it will represent the static structure of a system using UML class diagram, a unified model language. So next one is purpose of class-based modeling. There are many purpose of class-based modelings are there. The first one is encapsulate data and behavior. The second one is establish a relationship. The third one is promote reusability. The fourth one is enhance maintainability, support abstraction. The last one is improve collaboration. So next one, elements of class-based modeling. The elements mean it is nothing but the first one is a relationship, operations, attribute, and classes. The first of all, we can see regarding a relationship. Relationship is nothing but it will connect the classes through association. So the next one, operations, it will define the class behavior of the operations. The third one is attributes. Attributes is nothing but it will describe the class properties of the requirement. The next one is classes. Classes means it will represent system and entities or concept. So that is called elements of class-based modeling. Then last one is entity types of analysis classes. The first one entity classes, boundary classes. The last one control classes. The first one entity classes. The entity classes mean it is nothing but it will represent the business object. What are the objects going to do in every requirements? That is called business object. The third one is second one is boundary classes. Boundary classes is nothing but it will handle interaction with the user or the system or client. So that is called boundary classes. The third one is country classes. Country classes is nothing but control classes is nothing but it will manage the business logic and workflow. That is called order controller. The next one, UML diagram. UML diagram, it is nothing but unified model language. That is called UML class diagram. So in this UML diagram represent in the classes, attribute, method and relationship. It will helps communicate and the document to the software structure. So it will make easier for developers and designers to understand the system. The next one is UML class notation. The UML class notation, it is nothing but it is example, we can take the car. In this car, name, attributes and operations. The car is the object, so that is called name. So the next one is attribute. Attribute is nothing but it will make a string model year, which year it will manufacture, that is attribute. Then model of the car, then when you make the car, so that is called when you make the particular design of the car, so that is called attribute. These kinds of called attributes. Then last one is operations. Operations mean when we are going to start a travel now, we can start. So next is stop, so speed calculation, so that is called operation. These are all called UML class notations. UML is nothing but unified model language. The next one is relationships between classes. Class diagram relationship, the composition, directed association, usage dependency, generalization. So these are all called between classes. So the first one, aggregation, association, dependency, realization. So these are called relationship between classes. So next one is class-based modeling. Class-based modeling, it is nothing but there are many advantages are there. So in this improves system clarity, supports reuse and maintainability, and easy to mapping to code. Then encourages modular design. The last one is it is based on the mind map for class-based modeling. Already we seen this mind map. Okay, thank you.